I'm getting ready to send this out. Just want to make sure everything is in there. He's getting a custom keychain in two-tone black and red. He's also getting the shifter with the Mazda logo on it. I also included a second cap in case he wants it dual color, just all black, and they're interchangeable. The key fits on both. I'm gonna go drop it off in the mailbox. Mine is still holding up good. When I get back, I check on my printers. Looks like one's still going and one finished up.